Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloman. I am excited to kick off our new series where we deep dive into essential building blocks of AWS. And today we are starting with one of the most critical topics in cloud security, which is IAM or Identity and Access Management. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update in the world of DevOps, cloud, and security. So, what is exactly IAM? IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. It's a foundational AWS service that lets you securely control access to all your AWS resources, whether you are building a small application or managing large enterprise infrastructure. IAM helps you define who can do what in your AWS. IAM, why IAM is important? Learning IAM is not just important for passing certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect. It's vital for real-life AWS administration from startup to large enterprises. IAM is how you can protect your infrastructure. Let's break down some key features of IAM offers. Centralized control, granular permissions, federation support, multi-factor authentication, temporary credentials, and password policies, and PCI DSS compliant. Centralized control is managing all access from one place. Granular permissions specify exactly what each user or service can access. Federation support use the credentials from Active Directory, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of login security. Temporary credentials great for external services and applications. Password policies. With the help of password policies, you can set expiration, complexity rules, and rotations. And yes, it's PCI DSS compliant, which matters if you are handling payment data. Let's understand some core components of IAM, which is users, groups, policies, and roles. Users are the individual entities like developers or admins. Groups are collections of users sharing the same permissions. Policies are JSON documents that define permissions. Roles are assigned to AWS services for access and not tied to any individual users. Let's have some real-world IAM example. First, we assign a role to an EC2 instance so it can easily and securely access the S3 storage without hard-coding any credentials. Next example is user can log in using multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security. And finally, employees can sign in with their existing corporate credentials through Identity Federation, which simplifies access management. Federation also allows users to log in to AWS using external credentials like Microsoft Active Directory or other social logins like Facebook or Google. It's great for managing user identities in large organizations or applications. There are some best practices which we always need to follow. That is enabling MFA for all users, grant permissions that are absolutely necessary, rotate access keys and password in regular basis, and always use roles instead of embedding long-term credentials into applications. Learning IAM effectively. The best way to learn IAM, get hands-on. In the next upcoming video, we will log into AWS console and walk through creating a user, a group, and a policy from the scratch. Thanks for watching. If this helps you to understand the basics of IAM, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. I would love to hear what topics you would like to cover in the next. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and keep building. Thank you. Have a good day.